In this video, I want to prove the difference of squares. X squared minus y squared will be equal to x minus y times x plus y. So first of all, I go from right to left and then from left to right. X minus y times x plus y. This one times this one, this times this times this times that. So it will be x times x squared plus x y minus yx minus y squared. Negative y times positive y is going to be negative y squared. These two cancel out because they are equal with the different signs. So the answer will be x squared minus y squared. Now let me do the other way around. So we have x squared minus y squared divided by x minus y. So I write x here. So it will be x squared minus xy. These two cancel out. It will be negative y squared plus xy. So I need to have y here. So it will be yx minus y squared. So if you negative here, this will be 0. So that's the answer. So we have x squared minus y squared divided by x minus y will be x plus y. So that will be the same answer we have over there.